but we need to transfer these manufacturing technologies into a larger scale arena. They don't exist right now. There are very few autoclaves in the world that are 30 feet, okay? There are none that are 40 feet that are capable of putting together, say, a one-piece shroud. There are very few gantry machines in this world that are long enough to build out a whole barrel section and ogive for a shroud. There's that many, okay? So we're working with the manufacturers of equipment, whether they're the Ingersolls, the Electra Impacts, the MAGs. Right now, the State Department's got a little heartburn working with some of the MTORS folks, but we'd like to work with them as well. And combining some of the existing materials capabilities for autoclave materials and out-of-autoclave materials and learning how they process through these machines, okay? And that's a huge hurdle right now for a number of folks. The auto-autoclave market been around for quite a while. There's several of you in the room, built a number of flight objects before, some that you can talk about, some that you can't, and some that have done it with auto-autoclave materials for, say, UAV applications that they needed to get it done really bloody quick, okay? They didn't need to wait a year to get a vehicle built and demonstrated. So it's lend itself to that, and industry has really learned quite a bit. It's really rare, though, that when a resin technology comes along, that you don't find DOD or NASA way out in front of it by like 5 to 10 years. Usually, whether it's a high-temp system, whether it's a nano this, whether it's an e-beam curing system, whatever it might be, there's a large component of DOD and NASA out in front of that, where industry then gains knowledge. This particular case, industry's out in front of most government agencies here, and they're the ones that are pulling us along. And so again, I'll thank many of the partners that are in the room today because of their willingness to share information with us and DOD, and that's really helped the whole country out quite a bit.